All right, welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about solving systems of linear equations using the elimination method or using addition, it may be called sometimes. Um, this particular method is a really great method, especially when you have two numbers with equal and opposite coefficients. Um, just because if they're equal and opposite, when you add them, it'll automatically cancel them out. And in order to solve using elimination, you're trying to cancel out a coefficient. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to basically find the equal and opposite coefficients if they are there. So in this case, I have 2y and then I have negative 2y. So these two will cancel out when I add them. So now I have 5x equals 10 because negative 2 plus 12 is going to give me 10. So now that I have that, all I'm doing, of course, is solving for x. So once I solve for x, these are going to cancel out, and I'm going to have x equals 2. So now that I have x equals 2, the only thing that I have to do is take it and plug it right back into one of my equations. So say I plug it back into this equation. I have 3 times 2 minus 2 times y equals 12. So now I plug that in and I have 6 minus 2y equals 12. And now all I'm doing is getting that y by itself. So I'll add 2y to both sides. That will give me 2y plus 12 equals 6. And then when I subtract 12 from both sides, I get negative. I'll get negative 6 equals 2y. Of course, when I divide by 2, I'm going to end up with y equals negative 3. Again, once I divide these out, I'll end up with y equals negative 3. So now that I have this, I can go ahead and take my two answers and plug them into a coordinate pair of 2, comma, negative 3. And I have solved for the solution of these two linear equations.